Personally, super laking boost na sa akin. I'm very, very thankful sa Adidas PH na for making it happen. So, yeah, hopefully madami pa kaming collaborations in the works. So, yeah, I'm very, very happy na meron akong ganito. Gumawa kami ng history ni Kuya Quicks and then, yeah.
Did you mentioned earlier yung NBA. More details on that. Kailan ayos mo? Anong preparations mo?
I'm flying out next week for USA. So, yeah, hopefully training muna and then, yeah.
Sinong mga kasama mo sa training dun?
Wala, ako lang. Ako lang mag-isa pumunta doon. So, hopefully, good things will happen. Yeah. Hopefully.
Positive ka. Saka,
yeah, super. Kasi, ano naman eh. All 4 game naman eh. Nothing to lose ako. So, yeah. If ever wala akong makuha opportunity, balik ako sa Korea.
Bali, are you targeting Summer League?
No one knows. Hindi ko alam kung anong future makahanda sa akin. Basta ako, right now, I'm prepping as hard as I can.
pero may nagkaparamdam na sa'yo ngayon or
Wala na.
So talagang ikaw
Ano ba sabi mo dun sa naging season mo sa Korea?
23 games namin nilaro ko and then yeah, I'm very, very excited na meron akong full off season.
About if ever Gilas, are you open pa rin maglaro?
Always open sa Gilas. Never give up ulit yung Gilas kahit anong team. So yeah, I'm very thankful na may opportunity ako to play sa Gilas every time. Yeah.
Last time, malapit na yung Father's Day. Alam mo, sabi mo na first Father's Day mo this weekend.
Ano ba to? Yung show niya? Seryoso. Yeah. I'm super happy kasi yeah, first time na sa that. Magkakaroon ako ng mag-achievement sa buhay ko. Panibagong achievement as of basketball. Yeah. Very thankful.